tried and true method. This thing won't start at all with the key. So I got a ground put here, and the starter wire is here. Alright, so I'll put you down for a minute. I gotta hit the gas. Put you down here with the gas. Arc this again. So it's running. So it tells me I do not have motor to battery ground, for one, because I take this loose and shut this off. Let's see if it will just, there we go. Shut this off and take this hot off this battery and hit this. I have nothing, no arc or anything. Now, another thing that is mystifying me, let's put this here so it's safe, is, so this is from this battery, which is on the charger. Take it here. Here, my charger and everything die. This up here dies out. So I don't even have the starting coil hooked up. But again, I take ground here. This power here from this battery. Bam, just like that. So that is the thing. Another thing, disconnect to the winch. So whenever I hit the winch switch, it was like I was putting power to that. And everything would die. And the same thing with the headlight switch. See, I just turned the headlight switch on. See, I turned it on. See, everything goes black. I turn it off. Everything goes normal. I got my ground. I got my power. Let's try, and I gotta hit the gas. And hit this gas. So, yeah, that's the gist of it. Motor to battery ground, maybe motor to frame ground. I gotta figure out this whole, might just put a push button on it and be done with it. Secondary battery and a push button. Might do that. Well, that's the gist of it.